Skyline, quick cuts of labs, hospitals, and Airbound's tech in motion. Bengaluru-based Airbound has secured $8.65 million in seed funding and announced a major partnership with Narayana Health to enable autonomous drone deliveries. The funding round was led by Lachy Groom, co-founder of Physical Intelligence, with participation from Humba Ventures, Lightspeed Venture Partners, and senior leaders from Tesla, Anduril, and Ather Energy. As part of a 3-month pilot program, Airbound will conduct 10 daily medical deliveries for Narayana Health, including blood samples, test kits, and essential supplies. We aim to make the cost of delivery negligible, says Naman Pushp, founder and CEO of Airbound. The healthcare sector is the perfect testing ground because it demands both reliability and efficiency. Lachy Groom added, Airbound's approach solves the physics and economics challenges that have limited scalable drone delivery. With this funding, Airbound aims to reduce delivery costs to the point where geography no longer limits access to goods and services, redefining how logistics work across India and beyond. Airbound redefining the future of delivery.
Really, the next iteration of consumerism, it was a very incremental improvement, right? How do we go from same-day delivery to now delivery in the next 2 hours, right? It's nice. It will make a lot of money, but that's about it. As this business developed, though, I think a lot of really interesting applications started to emerge. I think a lot of this audience knows about self-driving, a lot of them also don't. But drone delivery really found its place when we were looking at medical deliveries. Deliveries in remote areas, deliveries in places without infrastructure. It makes sense. Drones don't need roads. Drones can fly anywhere. And so in areas where road infrastructure is poor, where you don't have good connectivity, drones make sense. But why does it have to be limited to that? Why should drones only exist in areas where connectivity is poor? Because if you could create a drone delivery system that beats out every other form of delivery, even in the best possible roads, even in the best possible conditions, well, then this is not just something that becomes a nice to have or something that is needed in areas of poor connectivity. You start to create a world where roads truly are optional. Because right now, our entire world depends way too much on roads. Where you live has a huge effect on the quality of life that you can experience. You need to be in a big city to get access to economic opportunity. You need to be in a big city to get access to basic services. Yeah, we don't get quick commerce here. No Zepto, no Delivery, no Swiggy. It's difficult. It's difficult to scale this out to areas that are not insanely densely populated.